Hello, welcome to helpyourmath.com. In this video, we're going to introduce some statistical definitions. This video is based on notes from Professor Lucio Prado of BMCC. Definitions: statistics. Descriptive collection, organization, summarization, and presentation of data. Inferential. We draw conclusions with respect to a population by using samples. Draw means is infer. Survey. Survey is a tool to collect data from a smaller group, which is part of a larger group, to learn something about the larger group. Key goal of statistics is to learn about a large group population from data from a smaller subgroup, which we call a sample. Definitions. Again, variable. It's a characteristic or attribute that varies. Data are the values for the variable collected, measurements, observations, gender, answers, etc. Statistics, collection of methods to study data. Population, complete collection of all subjects, individuals, scores, measurements, etc. Sample, subcollection of members selected from a population. Census, collection of data from every member of the population. For example, the US Census is a census. For example, a poll, 1,087 adults are asked whether they drink alcoholic beverages or not. The sample is 1,087 adults. The population, well, all US adults, which is about 150 million people. A census every 10 years, the Census Bureau tries to collect information from every member of the US population, which is impossible and very expensive and time-consuming. By using a sample to draw conclusions from a whole population, inferential statistics. Parameters, a numerical measurement describing some characteristics of the population. For example, Lincoln elected 39.82% of 1,865,908 votes collected. The 39.82% is a parameter. Statistic, a numerical measurement describing some characteristic of the sample. For example, based on a sample of 877 elected executives, 45% would not hire an applicant with a typographical error in the application. 45% is the statistic. Types of data. Quantitative data, numbers representing counts or measurements. For example, the number of children in a family, their weights, heights, ages, etc. Qualitative data or categorical data is non-numerical. For example, gender of an athlete, zip code, blood type, states in the United States, and brands of and brands of TV. Discrete data, variable data or variable data versus continuous data measuring a variable. So for example, the number of people in a household, which is discrete, versus the temperatures in May, which would be continuous. Nominal level of measurement, names, label categories, no ordering. So for example, yes, no, undecided responses, color, gender, jersey numbers of players, etc. Ordinal level of measurement, some other rank, but numerical values meaningless or non-existent. For example, grades A, B, C, D, F, intensity of pain, none, mild, moderate, severe. For example, when you go to a hospital or a doctor, often they give you that chart with the smiley faces, and that would be essentially a ordinal level of measurement. Interval level of measurement, order, but no zero or meaningless. So for example, temperature, year, IQ score. Ratio level of measurement, interval level with meaningful zero. Weights, prices, non-negative, number of phone calls received, etc. In summary, the process of statistics is designed to collect and analyze data to reach conclusions. Variables can be classified by their type of data. Qualitative variables, nominal or ordinal, quantitative variables, discrete, values that can be counted, or continuous variables, values that can be measured. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Take care and goodbye.